How to get approved on Clickbank. Clickbank is an online marketplace that connects product creators with affiliates who promote digital and some physical products. It handles payments, tracks sales, and pays commissions, allowing people to earn money either by selling their own products or promoting others. First, go to Clickbank website. Click on Create Account. Select your country from this drop-down menu. Then enter your first and last name, your phone number, email address, and password, and create account. To get approved, you have to go to this web link of Clickbank. Then enter your Clickbank account email address.
Subject. Description.
Select your type of question. Then put account nickname, then click Submit. If that does not work, don't get a reply, you can email at this address. That's it. Thanks for watching.